Hey guys, it's Elma. So in this video I will be reorganizing my 17 photo cards. In my last video I unboxed the binder that I got from AliExpress, in which I will put all of the photo cards now. As you can see, this is how I first stored my photo cards, but I really wanted to have a binder with 4 sleeves. I won't really be talking much in this video. I will just leave the background noise as well as background music for you to enjoy. Also, just a little disclaimer before you get started, I'm not a professional collector or anything, and the way in which I organize my photo cards in this video might not make any sense to you. But this is just what works for me, and actually I ended up reorganizing my photo cards into just my Mingyu collection afterwards, but I still thought this video might be nice for you to enjoy. So yeah, sit back, relax, and let's get started. So here's the final flip through of how I ended up organizing my photo cards. Like I said, I later ended up organizing them into just my Mingyu collection, since I didn't really have a lot of sleeves left at the end and I ended up buying quite some extra photo cards. I may have an addiction. Some of the photo cards in this binder are actually up for trade or up for sale on my trade account on Instagram. So I will put the link in the description in case you're interested. And also I will add the link to the binder and the sleeves as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. And hopefully I'll see you next time. Bye!